Thinking about ordering from Vinylora Store in 2026? You may want to wait a minute, because this store raises a few questions that smart buyers should notice before spending any money. Vinylora Store appears to target people looking for vinyl records and music-related products, but when checking the overall trust signals, the picture is mixed rather than clearly safe or clearly dangerous. The website may look modern and appealing at first glance, but design alone never proves legitimacy. One of the first things that stands out is the limited amount of strong public reputation available online. Trusted stores usually build a visible history through customer feedback, repeat buyers, active communities, and consistent mentions across platforms. In this case, that presence seems relatively weak, which can make some shoppers hesitate. Another point to consider is transparency. Buyers should always look for clear contact details, realistic policies, shipping timelines, and return information. If any of these areas feel vague or too basic, it's worth being cautious. Pricing can also be a clue. If certain deals seem much lower than expected, it may attract attention, but unusually cheap prices can sometimes lead to delays, product quality issues, or customer service frustration. That does not automatically mean the store is a scam, but it does mean buyers should stay alert. On the positive side, newer stores sometimes struggle simply because they have not built a reputation yet, so lack of reviews alone is not final proof of anything negative. Still, when trust signals are limited, caution is the smart move. My honest result is that Vinylora Store sits in the uncertain zone, not confirmed scam, not strongly proven legit either. If you decide to order, start with a small purchase. Use a secure payment method and avoid spending more than you're comfortable risking. If you prefer safer shopping, choosing a well-known retailer with established customer feedback may be the better option right now.